9 fruits that will cleanse your kidneys fast. Our kidneys are essential organs responsible for filtering waste and excess fluid from the bloodstream, maintaining electrolyte balance, and regulating blood pressure. Healthy kidney function is crucial to our overall well-being, as any damage to kidney function can lead to a range of health problems. Many people are unaware of the importance of kidney health until problems arise, which is why maintaining and protecting these vital organs should be a priority. Fortunately, nature offers us countless ways to support kidney health, and one of the most delicious methods is to eat certain fruits in our daily lives. In this video, we will explore 9 fruits that can work wonders in efficiently cleansing and detoxifying the kidneys. Cranberries. Cranberries are a true gift from nature when it comes to maintaining kidney health. These little red gems are not only delicious, but they also contain a variety of antioxidants and natural compounds that can do wonders for kidney health. At the forefront of cranberry health benefits is its impressive ability to prevent and treat urinary tract infections, UTIs. These infections can be particularly harmful to the kidneys if left untreated. The key to cranberries' effectiveness lies in compounds called proanthocyanidins, which inhibit bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. By preventing bacteria from attaching, cranberries help stop infection before it reaches the kidneys. It is important to note that cranberry juice, although often consumed for its flavor, should ideally be unsweetened to avoid excess sugar, which can have a negative impact on kidney health. It's important to incorporate cranberries into your diet in a way that aligns with your overall nutritional goals. This may include enjoying them in salads, as a dip, or in their purest form fresh from the produce section. To reap the full benefits of cranberries for your kidneys, consider making cranberries a regular part of your diet. Its unique ability to prevent kidney infections can help keep your kidneys healthy and functioning optimally. Blueberries. Blueberries are known as a superfood, and for good reason. Their deep blue color signifies the high levels of antioxidants they contain, and these antioxidants are the kidney's best friend when it comes to reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. When free radicals outnumber antioxidants, they can cause damage to cells, including those in the kidneys. This damage can contribute to the development of kidney disease over time. Blueberries, however, are rich in antioxidants, particularly a group of compounds known as anthocyanins. These compounds neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting the kidneys from possible damage. It's like giving your kidneys a protective shield to prevent damage. But blueberries offer even more. One of the significant risks to kidney health is high blood pressure, and blueberries may play a role in controlling it. High blood pressure can cause kidney damage over time, but compounds in blueberries have been linked to lower blood pressure. Therefore, by incorporating blueberries into your diet, you are not only supporting your kidneys against oxidative stress, but also working to maintain healthy blood pressure. Apples. The old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," has more truth than you might think. Apples are not just a delicious snack, they can be a key element in maintaining kidney health. What sets apples apart in the field of kidney health is their rich dietary fiber content. Dietary fiber plays an essential role in keeping the kidneys in good shape. Helps regulate digestion, preventing constipation, and supporting overall gut health. A healthy gut is closely linked to better kidney function, as many waste products are eliminated through the digestive system. Additionally, apples have a low glycemic index. This means they release sugar into the bloodstream slowly and steadily, preventing blood sugar spikes. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes, as poorly controlled blood sugar levels can cause kidney damage over time. By incorporating apples into your diet, you are taking a proactive step toward maintaining stable blood sugar levels and promoting kidney health. It is worth mentioning that to make the most of the benefits of apples, it is best to eat the whole fruit, skin and all, as the skin contains a significant portion of fiber and nutrients. Cherries. Cherries, especially tart cherries, have gained recognition for their potential in protecting your kidneys. Beyond their delicious taste and vibrant color, they are packed with anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial for those at risk of kidney disease. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in many chronic kidney diseases. Chronic inflammation can gradually lead to kidney damage, and this is where cherries come to the rescue. The anthocyanins in cherries have been shown to reduce inflammation, making them a potential ally in kidney protection. Moreover, cherries have been noted for their role in reducing the risk of gout, a condition that results from the accumulation of uric acid crystals in the joints, and can affect kidney function. Drinking tart cherry juice, or including cherries in your diet, can help manage uric acid levels, and maintain healthy kidneys. The anti-inflammatory and uric acid management properties of cherries make them a valuable addition to your kidney protective diet. By enjoying cherries regularly, you're working to reduce the inflammation that can harm your kidneys, and taking steps to prevent gout, a condition that can negatively impact your kidney function. Strawberries. Strawberries are not just a sweet and delicious treat, they also pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. What sets strawberries apart is their impressive vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a natural antioxidant, and it plays a vital role in protecting your kidneys. One of the significant risks to kidney health is the formation of kidney stones, which are typically composed of minerals and salts. Vitamin C can help prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing the acidity of urine, making it more difficult for stones to develop. This means that by incorporating strawberries into your diet, you're not only enjoying a tasty treat, but also proactively reducing the risk of kidney stones. But the benefits of strawberries don't stop there. They're also a great source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. This is essential for overall health, and can indirectly benefit your kidneys. By ensuring that waste and toxins are efficiently removed from your body, you're relieving some of the burden on your kidneys. Strawberries can be enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, on top of yogurt, or as part of various dishes. Their versatility makes it easy to incorporate them into your diet regularly. Pineapples. Pineapples are tropical delights that can significantly benefit your kidneys. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are crucial for reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can harm your kidneys over time. In addition to their antioxidant content, pineapples also have a diuretic effect. This means they can help increase urine production and, in turn, promote kidney function. Proper urine flow is essential for flushing out toxins and waste products from your body, relieving some of the burden on your kidneys. So, whether you prefer to enjoy pineapples as a refreshing snack, as part of a fruit salad, or incorporated into various dishes, you're providing your kidneys with the support they need to stay healthy. It's also worth noting that pineapples can be a flavorful addition to your diet if you're looking to increase your fluid intake. Proper hydration is fundamental for kidney health, and pineapples can contribute to this through both their water content and their diuretic effect. Watermelon. Watermelon is known for its moisturizing properties. It is made up of more than 90% water, which makes it an excellent option for staying well hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for kidney health. When you don't drink enough fluids, your kidneys have to work hard to concentrate urine and remove waste products from your bloodstream. Over time, this extra effort can cause kidney problems. However, enjoying watermelon can ensure that optimal hydration levels are maintained, which in turn assists the kidneys in effectively filtering waste products from the blood. Additionally, watermelon is a good source of potassium, a mineral that can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. By including watermelon in your diet, you are giving your kidneys the gift of hydration and potassium, promoting their health and functionality. Watermelon's high water content also makes it an excellent choice for those looking to control their weight or reduce their calorie intake. Staying hydrated is important for overall well-being and can contribute to better kidney function. So whether you're enjoying a slice of watermelon on a hot summer day or adding it to your fruit salad, you're making a wise choice for your kidney health. Pomegranates. Pomegranates have been revered for centuries, not only for their vibrant color and unique flavor, but also for their exceptional antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that make them a powerful ally in the quest for kidney health. The antioxidants in pomegranates, particularly punicolagens, can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. This is crucial for preventing chronic kidney disease, as oxidative stress and inflammation are the main factors contributing to kidney damage over time. But pomegranates have even more to offer. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage, and pomegranates have been linked to lowering blood pressure. Its natural ability to regulate blood pressure contributes significantly to its role in kidney protection. Including pomegranates into your diet can be as simple as adding the seeds to yogurt or cereal, enjoying a fresh pomegranate, or opting for unsweetened pomegranate juice. The juice form is a convenient way to experience the benefits of pomegranates without the hassle of removing the seeds. Papaya. Papaya, with its rich vitamin C and fiber content, can play an important role in promoting kidney health. The vitamin C in papaya acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and harm the kidneys over time. The antioxidants in papaya neutralize these free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting kidney well-being. Fiber is another valuable component of papaya that supports kidney health. Fiber promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Efficient digestion is crucial to ensuring that toxins and waste are removed quickly and effectively from the body, relieving some of the burden on the kidneys. Adding papaya to your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your kidneys. Whether you enjoy it fresh, in smoothies, as part of fruit salads, or in various dishes, you are taking a proactive step toward promoting kidney health and detoxification. Each of these 9 fruits offers unique benefits for kidney health. Whether you're looking to prevent kidney infections, reduce inflammation, control blood pressure, promote hydration, or detoxify your kidneys, these fruits have you covered. However, it is essential to remember that although these fruits can contribute to kidney health, they are not a standalone solution. A well-balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate hydration, and a healthy lifestyle are equally essential to maintain kidney well-being. By adding these fruits into your diet and following a healthy lifestyle, you are taking a comprehensive approach to natural kidney cleansing and overall health. So make these delicious and nutritious fruits a regular part of your meals, and enjoy the benefits they bring to your kidneys. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.